22 Kathalia Mirza Rajapur Manaipathor Bisio Tini December Tani Chisha Salmari Sangrongshalo Tipramotha Bodoni Lua Chimbai Loko Kutumong Panda Khlaijaka Diponi Damsha Tamitongma Jorabo O Loko Kutumong Pandawo BUBAGRA Pradut Kishor Debor Mano Mokol Logoi Nashinglajak Tiprasarok BUBAGRA Pandawo Phaimai Yagulo Bono Khabai Khugbai Lamshoklaikha Tiprasarok Dang Shoro Kashawi BUBAGRA Pradut Kishor Deborma Bini Bagai Hamjakmong Bini Bagai Puitu Twiprasarokni mokolobo nugaiman kha Luko Kutumong Panda Kitingai Oshalo 1975 butar juda juda bodolia kare Tipramotha botoni banarom kha Tiborokno khabai khugbai lamsoka sakbai thang BUBAGRA Pradut Kishor Deborma BUBAGRA koktuma thumani bwskang phai bosaka asuk borok kebangma nugui bo belakino kha tongthokjak Lukorokni support bini logio tongo hni saka BUBAGRA Rangni Phan Thwngrwngni Phan Sakni Phan bai Twiprasarokno Tolao Khiklai Manglak abo ongnani Reglak bo hni saka BUBAGRA Pradut Kishor Deborma Botei bo saka khorang kaisa chini naharmung kaisa chini bot bahino kaisa hni saka BUBAGRA Pradut Kishor Deborma Fainai salo aboni firok mungbo manai hni saka BUBAGRA Pradut Kishor Deborma tei bo bidi Twiprasarokni bagai khorang tisai thanai hni bo saka BUBAGRA Pradut Kishor Deborma Botei bo saka Assam Bodoland Karbi Anglong Dimasa area rogo Fatar Hastini Borok Habai Mania Fiaba Tripura Hastio Land Right Kerini Jarai Kebangma Fatar Hastini Borok Habai Tongoi Tongbayu Aboni Bagai Jeng Nango Land Rights Hai Hani Saka BUBAGRA Pradut Kishor Deborma Teibo Osalo CAA Teibo Khukhenka Botei bo saka Accord Sign Engkha Accord Sign Engmani Mane Abuya Je Jengchini Political Identity Pognai Jeng Pogyachini Political Identity Hni Saka BUBAGRA Pradut Kishor Deborma Osalok Kebangma Twiprasarokni Khugo Mungsimi BUBAGRA ni Twiprasarok BUBAGRA no busuk jorati hamjak o manglini bisingtei opono dadak sidak kasai faika
आपने खुद अपनी आंखों से देखा होगा the response that we have from all the people here और ये जो response आप देख रहे हैं एक constituency में इतना लोग आना मतलब कि ग्राउंड सपोर्ट पूरे हमारे पास है और जो लोग पैसे के बलबूते में विद द पावर ऑफ मनी विद द पावर ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हमारे गरीब तिपरासा को इंडिजिनस लोगों को नीचे रखना चाहते हैं उनको भी एक बात समझना चाहिए कि तिपरासा का वोट एक है और हमारा हौसला भी एक है वी हैव द एंटायर इमोशन विद द पीपल और आने वाले दिन में उनको जवाब मिल जाएगा
Whom you expect?
We'll see. I think the fight is that Tipramotha should continue to speak for the people and not against particularly any party, but continue to speak for the rights of the people, and then you'll get the results. But as far as I see, Congress is nowhere in the ground, and the Communist Party has gone into its own shell. So BJP is trying to make some noise, the local BJP unit, but they should very well understand that they just cannot expect people to vote for BJP without doing any work for the indigenous people, especially in Tripura.
Some of your leaders said that
If we had probably restricted ourselves in fighting in 20 seats, probably BJP wouldn't have come. But that's in hindsight that we have realized. And in the next election, we will see why we should allow some other party to come through a back entry, because we should have actually now in hindsight we should not have contested in more than 25 to 30 seats.
Sir, the date today
My case is still in the Supreme Court, and while the government of India has clarified that CA will not be applicable in the 6 scheduled areas, the very meaning of 6 scheduled area where we have no land rights means that in Meghalaya 6 scheduled area people cannot come in Assam, Bodoland, Karbi Anglong, Dimasa Hasao area, people can't enter. But in Tripura, because we don't have land rights in the 6th scheduled area, we cannot stop anyone because the power is not with us, it's with DM. And DM is under state government. So we want that power to be given to us. And CA, the fight for CA will continue till the government of India does not strengthen the 6th scheduled areas in Tripura.
So it's continuing still.
It's absolutely going to continue. That is a political right. Just because we have signed the Twiprasarokno Accord does not mean that we are going to let go of our political identity and our independent view on many issues.
It's high time that Twiprasarokno Accord, you said already 20 months are over. Time lapse was 6 months if I remember well. So Do you think before this election the BJP or the central government might do something?
I don't know. You have to ask this question to them. I've made maybe 20, 25 trips to Delhi. I've spoken to everyone. They all admit in private that it should be done. But publicly, until it's not done, why should I give anyone a free hand? Until it's not done in black and white, in writing, why should we trust anyone?
Is the local BJP against it?
I think the local BJP, I keep on talking to the Chief Minister. He comes across as a very well-meaning gentleman. But then there are some local leaders who are looking to get a ticket in the next election. So to get a ticket in the next election, they will make some noise because, see, to be very honest, ये leader लोग कुछ जीतने वाले नहीं हैं. लेकिन बीजेपी से पैसा लेकर थोड़ा सा पैसा कमाएंगे और इलेक्शन फाइट करेंगे. लेकिन जो लोग बीजेपी में राजनीति को समझते हैं, जो लोग पॉलिटिक्स को समझते हैं, उनको मालूम है कि हमारा क्या एक्चुअल पावर है ग्राउंड में, और उन लोग जो लोग पैसे के नाम में टिकट चाहिए उनको, उनका क्या पावर है, सब लोग जानते हैं.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Rignai, Naithok Irignai. Rignai Hamjangeroni Bagay, Naithok te, quality kaham Irignai. Tabuk Hatiwo, Bele Ranklai Beno, Mantogutongo. Mantogo, Yag by Tagza, Rignai Jamutu, Irisha Kanboro, Mantogo, Katal Jorani, Mission by Tagza, Naithok, Bumulni, Palini, Rignai. Tiprasha Hukumumu Mari, Rangtang, Shurang. Chandrahar, Wakum, Toya, Karu, Jotom Mantogo. Haike, Lirita Tongshidi, Tabung Nokrungdi, Kan Rubai, Te Kan Boro, Pal Nokbai, Oro Wholesale Te Kusra, Irignai Rishabo, Pajago, Mantogo. Jerok, Irignai Bania, Klainai, Borok, or Pal Nogrino, Irignai Risha, Wholesale Tlangi, Bania Buklai, Manai. Haike, Lirita Tongshidi, Grundi, Nikuma, Agortala, North Ban Malipur, near Yonsconer Club, West Tripura. Mobile number 9862821223. Take a second number 87878315552 oblique 82589191171 oblique 8119938 548.